Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So today we're going to be going over the iBUYPOWER Element 9260. This is my setup and this is the PC. It does come with 4 fans and it has its CPU fan, of course. It is very nice because it doesn't get overheated at all. It does heat up your room a bit though if you don't have it ventilated. Now, did you get your money worth? That's what the real question is. I personally think yes you do. It does run games very well, and we will be going over the specs in just a bit. Now, this PC does come with a GTX 1660 Ti with 6 gigabytes, and that's pretty good for a pre-built. Now, this PC does come with 16 gigabytes of RAM with 2 sticks, so 8 gigabytes each. It comes with an Intel Core i7 9700 with 3 gigahertz, which is a really good processor for a pre-built especially. Now let's talk about the storage. It does come with a 240 gigabyte SSD and an additional 1 terabyte hard drive. It does come with Wi-Fi and Windows 10 installed, which is very convenient because I didn't want to buy Windows. But now we will be getting into the specs. So the main question is, how well does it run on games? This is Grand Theft Auto 5. It is running really well at all ultra graphics, lighting perfect. It runs super smooth, very nice, way better than console. Let's check out Modern Warfare. Whole game. This is on high settings too, by the way. If you were to lower the settings just a little bit, you would have a way better FPS. But this is just to show you if you were to play it on high. CSGO, you are getting a pretty good FPS. You are getting about 200 to 190 FPS during gunfights. As I'm shooting, I'm getting at least 160 FPS, which is still decent. But you can run GTA and you can also run Call of Duty. I am also streaming this, so keep that in mind. Yeah. But if you guys want to go check me out, make sure to look in my bio. And yeah, I stream all sorts of games: GTA, CSGO, Call of Duty, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, just go check that out. Link in bio. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.